of Milton, number 2010. Number 588 from Hamilton, Ontario. He's representing Keilberger High School of Milton. Well, R.J. Phelan's behind the wheel of number 588, representing the school. Number 111 from Milton, representing DNA Automotive, is Marcelo Ville, number 111.
Yo, look at that one. That was cool.
Number 1331 from right here in Milton. He represents DNA Automotive. Here's Stephen Bertuzzi, number 1331. Number 427 comes to us from Midbrook. We did some great demolition derbies over there at the Midbrook Fair this year. He represents Brandon Latham Trucking. That's Tim Phelan, driving number 427. Number 80 from Fergus, Ontario, sponsored by Cody's Auto Service, is John Shaw, driving number 80. We're going to be using what we call a suicide start this time. That's with half of the vehicles at either end. You can figure out why it's called a suicide start. Another high school is represented tonight. Number 7 from Guelph, Ontario, representing John F. Ross High School in Guelph. Here's Paul Linden, driving number 7. From Bushledge, Ontario, sponsored by the Rockton World's Fair, here's Trevor Chichok, number 53. Last call for 388 and 816. If you're coming in, we need you right now, please. 388 and 816. Last call. Number 816 from Otterville, sponsored by Sayre Structures of Norwich. Here's R.J. Phillips, number 816.
I like the
388 is not going to be coming in. All right, so once again, we close up the game and we're all set to go. This is a single heat competition. These are the minivans. We've got a good group of them here tonight. Fellas you see wearing the white uniforms, members of the Pro Show Productions Demolition Derby crew, they will work with the referee as the heat goes on. They use 4 different flags to signal the drivers. Green, of course, means go. Red, of course, means stop. Black, of course, means you're out. The checkered flag means you won. And if they all fly in the air, that means friends get really excited. All right, we need you to help us get started with the flag bend in place. Everybody together now, nice and loud. Starting with 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Away we go. It's minivan demolition derby time. They're going to come back into the center. They're going to touch in the middle, say hello a little bit, and then away we go. It's every man for himself as we play minivan. stock. Move into line, please. Inside straight stock. Move into line. Well, they've got lots of room to move. You're seeing some hits going on out there. Once again, they must make competitive contact within a count of flag. That means we're down to 4 men left.
Yeah, dude,
4 men
Abrams is
left.
gonna win. I got it. No. Come on, 1-6. Come on. It's real. Look at it. We're like screwed up.
Red flag.
That one
When the red flags go up and the siren sounds, all fans must come to an immediate stop.
the red one over there.
Looks like we've got a little blaze going on under the hood on the 2001. Each driver, of course, carries a fire extinguisher within his reach in the driver's compartment. Most situations, we will find that the fire extinguishers that the drivers carry will handle the average types of fires that we see. However, we do have the members of the fire department here tonight. We appreciate them being here. All right, there's the signal. 2001's now out of the game. That means we're into 3 vehicles left. 3 vehicles left. Van heat continues. Number 7 has been black flag now. That means we've got 2 left. 2 vehicles left. That's on equal ground. One inside. 1-6 and 4-1-7.
Oh, no, it's Wow, what a cheater. He made the line was sassy. That wasn't as bad as my new part.
4-27. E16, E16. Now under the count, it's up to him to make the next competitive hit. Almost, but not quite. It's all up to number E16 to make a competitive hit. 4-27. Working hard to keep his running. E16 appears to have stalled. He's still under the count. 4-27.